Let's see a question from differential equation. So as you can see, the given question is dy by dx equals to 2x minus 5y plus 3 divided by 2x plus 4y minus 6. So if you look at the format of the question, let's go through the concept, and that is, this question is clearly of the format dy by dx equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by a2x plus b2y plus c2. So whenever we have this type of question, there are two cases. In first case, either a1 by a2 equals to 0. A1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. So in this case, you will get some part common between numerator and denominator. So you will take that common part as t, and if you do so, it will convert to variable separable, which you know how to solve. Now the second one is when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So in this case, you will take some substitution, after which it will be converted to homogeneous, which again you know how to solve. So let's check what is the case with this question. If we check a1 by a2, so that is coming out to be 2 by 2, which is 1. If you check for b1 by b2, so minus 5 by 4. So clearly you can say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means this category belongs to the second case. Okay. So what we do in second case, we take small x to be capital X plus h and small y to be capital Y plus k. Now because we are moving from small x to capital X, so this dy by dx also need to change. So if we differentiate the first equation, you will get dx equals to d capital X, and from second equation, if you differentiate, you will get dy equals to d capital Y. If you will take the ratio, you will get dy by dx equals to d capital Y by dx. Okay. Now, coming to back to our question. So dy by dx can be replaced by d capital Y by dx. Okay. Equals to, in place of x, write x plus h, to 2 times x plus h minus 5 times y plus k plus 3 divided by 2 times x plus h 4 times y plus k minus 6. If you want to further solve this, what I am doing is I am separating the constant term. So other terms will be 2 capital X minus 5 capital Y, and with this I have 2h minus 5k plus 3 as my constant part divided by, in denominator I have 2x plus 4y, and with that I have 2h plus 4k minus 6 as the constant. Now if you clearly see, if I hide this is a homogeneous portion. So hiding means, what if this bracket becomes 0? In that case, this will convert to homogeneous. That's what we want. So we'll solve this two simultaneous equation in order to find that value of h and k for which this brackets become 0. So 2h minus 5k plus 3 equals to 0 and 2h plus 4k minus 6 equals to 0. If you simply subtract, then this gets cancelled. Minus 9k plus 9 equals to 0, minus 9k equals to minus 9, or you are getting k equals to 1. Now if you put this k equals to 1 in any of these two equation, I am putting it in equation number 2, so you will get 2h plus 4 minus 6 equals to 0, 2h minus 2 equals to 0, 2h equals to 2 and h equals to 1. So you are getting h equals to 1 and k equals to 1. So we will use these values in the end. So let's keep it with you. Now once you will put h as 1 and k as 1, this brackets become 0 and our equation reduces to dy by dx equals to 2x minus 5y divided by 2x plus 4y. Now if you look at this clearly, this is homogeneous. We know how to solve homogeneous. We take y as vx. Now if you differentiate this both sides with respect to capital X, you will get dy by dx equals to product rule, v as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus x as it is, derivative of v is dv by dx. Now if I replace this by this, that means by v plus x dv by dx, and in RHS replace y by vx, so 2x minus 5vx divided by 2x plus 4vx. Now x will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. You will get v plus x dv by dx, 2 minus 5v divided by 2 plus 4v. Now I can take this v to that side. So x dv by dx equals to 2 minus 5v, 2 plus 4v minus v. Okay. Fine. Now x dv by dx equals to 2 minus 5v minus 2v minus 8v square divided by 2 plus 4v. So x dv by dx equals to minus if I take common, I will get 8v square minus 7v minus I have already taken common, plus 2 minus I have taken common. Now we can easily separate the variables. So 4v plus 2 divided, I am leaving this minus side in RHS only, 8v square plus 7v minus 2 dv equals to dx by x with a negative sign. Now before integrating, let's do one thing. You are seeing 8v square plus 7v minus 2. So 8v square plus 7v minus 2. So this is 8v square plus 8v minus v minus 2. Okay. So if you take 1 minute, here if you see 2 into v, so minus 2v, 4v into minus v, so that will be minus 4v square, not 8. So here a simple correction, we are getting minus of 4v square, minus I have taken common, so 4v square plus 7v minus 2. So 4v square plus 7v minus 2. So 4v square plus 8v minus v minus 2. 4v if you take common, so v plus 2 minus 1 if you take common, v plus 2. So v plus 2 and 4v minus 1 is what you are getting. In RHS you can write minus ln x plus ln c, because RHS we are done. Now in LHS we can use partial fractions. So 4v plus 2 divided by v plus 2 4v minus 1, this can be written as a divided by v plus 2 plus b divided by 4v minus 1. If you simplify this, so 4v plus 2 divided by v plus 2 and 4v minus 1. This is a times 4v minus 1 plus b times v plus 2 divided by v plus 2 and 4v minus 1. Fine. This gets cancelled. Now if you take in first v as 1 by 4. So if you take v as 1 by 4, what will happen? If you take v as 1 by 4, this will become 1 minus 1, which is 0. So this term will become 0. So I am taking v as 1 by 4. So 4 into 1 by 4, 1 plus 1, 3 in LHS. In RHS with v, with b, I will have 1 by 4 plus 2. So 1 by 4 plus 2. That is 9 by 4, isn't it? 1 by 4 plus 2. So 4 to 8, 9 by 4. So b I am getting as 12 by 9, which is 4 by 3. Okay. Fine. Now moving to this part. So for this, if you take v as minus 2, so minus 8 plus 2, minus 6, a times minus 8 minus 1, minus 9. So a is 6 by 9, which is 2 by 3. Okay. Now we have got the values of a and b, so we can proceed with the integration. So this integral can be written as a upon, so a is 2 by 3, a upon v plus 2. So this integral plus b upon this. So plus b is your 4 by 3 and divided by 4v minus 1. dv equals to minus ln x plus ln c. Now integration of 1 upon v plus 2 is ln v plus 2. So 2 by 3 ln v plus 2. Integration of 1 upon 4v minus 1 will be ln 4v minus 1 divided by the coefficient of v. Coefficient of v in first case was 1, so we divided by 1. In this case it is 4, so if you divide by 4, this gets cancelled. I take this ln x to this side, equals to ln c. Now this 2 I can send to the power, so I can take 1 by 3 if common, so ln v plus 2 whole square plus ln 4v minus 1. This doesn't have 1 by 3 and I have taken common, so 3 ln x will be there, which I can move to the power again, equals to ln c. Now this 3 I am sending to that side, so I will get ln square plus ln 4v minus 1 plus ln x cube. Okay, this equals to 3 ln c. 3 ln c can be written as ln c cube. Now what was our v? V was y by x, so ln first log a plus log b plus log c, so log a b c, so v plus 2 whole square multiplied by 4v minus 1 multiplied by x cube ln c cube. If I remove log on both sides, so I will get v plus 2 whole square. V is y by x plus 2 whole square, 4y by x into x cube equals to log is removed, c cube can be written as any other constant, let's say a. So this is y minus 2x square divided by x square. This is 4y minus x divided by x. Okay, and oh sorry, this x actually was capital X, because everything we are doing is in terms of capital X only. So this is capital X, again here also it is capital X, and here also it is capital X, here also it is capital X. So x cube will get cancelled, equals to. So we are getting now what is our y and what is our x. So for that, here h is 1 and k is 1. This was a substitution. Small x was capital X plus h. Small x was capital X plus h is 1. So from here you are getting capital X as x minus 1. Small y was capital Y plus k. K is also 1. So capital Y is y minus 1. So x minus 1 and y minus 1. So y minus 1 minus 2 times x minus 1, its square. Then we have 4 times y minus 1 minus x minus 1 equals to a. Now this is y minus 2x minus 1 and plus 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, it's square, and here we have 4y minus x minus 4 plus 1 equals to a. So this must be your final solution. Let's check the process once again. If you look at the calculation part, so this was log, so we took 1 by 3 common, because this had no 1 by 3, so 3 was multiplied, 3 was sent to the power, this 3 I sent to this side, so it became 3 ln c. 3 ln c, you know, in log whatever is in front comes to the power, so c cube. log a plus log b plus log c is log abc. V plus 2 was there, so v was y by x plus 2. Oh, here it should be plus 2. Plus, so y plus 2x and minus 1 and minus 2, so that will be minus 3. Okay, so if you look at this, so it can be written as 2x plus y minus 3 whole square. We generally don't prefer minus with x, so what we can do, you can take minus sign common from here, so x minus 4y plus 3, and that minus sign I send to that side. So final answer can be 2x plus y minus 3 whole square, x minus 4y plus 3, and this minus a can be taken as final constant, capital. Okay, so this is your final answer. It was a long process. First we saw the question, discuss the concept which were there. Okay, a1 by a2 was not equal to b1 or b2, so proceeded to convert this to homogeneous. We did that smoothly. Took these brackets as 0 and the values were for h equals to 1 and k equals to 1. For that these brackets became 0. Then it was converted to homogeneous. We solved homogeneous. Okay, then we were stuck here while converting from homogeneous to variable separable. Then I told you that this can be solved by partial fraction. We solved that, we got that easily. From here it was just small integration and logarithm properties were used. So I hope you understood this question. Thanks and have a very nice day.